Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Marivic Rivera. I'm 25 years old and I'm single. I am from Bantayan, Mangaldan, Pangasinan, Philippines. And we are five members of family. I am the youngest. I am the one who taking care of my two parents for 4 years. And I have also experience as a maid here at Philippines. I work with four members of family, the two parents and the two kids. The two kids are ages of 7 years old and 11 years old. My duty there is to clean their house, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, and also taking care of the two kids. I work with them for almost 2 years as their helper. And now I'm hoping to be part of your family as your helper too. And if you hired me, Mom and Sir, I will do my best to be kind, trustworthy, and flexible and good follower as your helper to your family. Good day, Mom. Thank you.